What's up, everybody? HEX DNA here to bring you the latest and greatest news in the DeFi space, where you get the chance to say F you to the banksters. Let's jump right into it. Beginning right here on nomics.com, taking a look at the top cryptos. Bitcoin, ETH, still doing their thing, sitting at 9,200-ish, 240 for ETH. Oh, Cardano, man, you did a great job, Charles. Look at that run up. 13 cents. I never thought I'd see that again. Let's move on to the DeFi champions, with our king sitting at the top at a $915 million market cap, the one and only HEX. Next up, we got Compound, sitting at a $509 million market cap, $166 per coin. I am invested in Compound as well. Maker, I got a little bit of Maker. It's been around for a while. That's probably our granddaddy right there. $458, 413 mil market cap. Kyber Network sitting at about 300 million, followed closely by Synthetics and formerly ETHLend, but now Aave, at about $292 million market cap. So those are going to be your DeFi leaders right there. DeFi Pulse. I really like this website, but there is one problem. No HEX. So we've got our top DeFi coins as they list them, beginning with Compound, 700 million locked up. Maker, 633 million locked up. Synthetics sitting at 380 million right now. And Aave, 203 million. Balancer has recovered from their previous hack, sitting at 191 million. We really should have HEX, though, sitting somewhere around here, I think. Really should. Let's do a little math. Okay, so if this is the locked amount, and HEX has 54.7 billion locked up. Well, 54.7 billion times the price of HEX, what is it? It's sitting at about 0037. Gives us 202,390,000 USD locked up. So technically that should put us at right about here, just under Aave. Basically competing with Aave, so we should be sitting about number 4, number 5, just above Balancer there. So I'd really like to see DeFi Pulse get on it and add HEX to the list, because HEX is decentralized finance at its best. But otherwise, DeFi Pulse looking pretty good. We got a total of $2.5 billion almost. That's wild. That's just going to keep growing. I can't wait to see how big it gets over the next year. Look at that graph. Just nonstop. Everybody, DeFi, DeFi, DeFi. I pray and I hope and I say to Jesus every night, please, Lord, let DeFi be the catalyst of the next bull run. Okay, moving on. We have here DeFi Rate. I just found the site out. I just found out about it. I really like it. It has some nice graphs here, as well as the rates for different platforms. DAI, USDC. That's kind of funny. Stablecoins are the biggest return. Hey, still better than a bank. So on Nuo, this is a platform I just learned about. It's apparently from India, created from some guys over in India. Been around for a little while. They're offering the best rates right now on USDC and DAI. Closely followed by Aave, then Synthetics for DAI, and then you have BlockFi over here. I don't know if BlockFi is technically truly decentralized, but maybe it's getting there. Aave, Comp, cryptocurrency lending rates. Not looking too good, is it? Jeez Louise. ETH 0.15 to 4.5%. BTC is 0.8 to 6%. Meh. HEX does way better than all of those. No comparison. Okay, let's move on over to Comp. Let's see what kind of interest rates we're getting here today on Compound Finance. Oh, wow, BAT. You have really gone down, haven't you? sunk to new lows. I remember when that was like 25%. So your biggest returns are going to be on stablecoins. That's the way it is. Wrapped ETH, wrapped BTC, DAI, USDC. Looks like those are your biggest returns. Those just aren't too great either. I mean, those are almost bank rates right there. I'd like to see a lot better. I mean, for $170 a coin and a project that's touted as highly as compound finance, those interest rates aren't amazing. HEX wins. Okay, next up, this article's awesome. It was just put out last week on DAP Radar. DAP Radar 2020 Q2 DEX Industry Review. You boys are going to love this. You HEX boys. And HEX ladies. Let's get down here. This is a beautiful pie chart. Wait till you guys see this. Here we are. Most traded assets on Uniswap. Uniswap is the #1 application in the DEX category by trading volumes tracked by DAP Radar. In Q2 2020, it has made almost $900 million and surged by 109% compared to Q1 2020 and 624% compared to Q2 2019. So we have our top trending trading pairs right here in Q2. And guess what? #1, wrapped ETH HEX, leading the way, 18%, closely followed by USDC wrapped ETH, and then wrapped ETH DAI, stablecoins yet again. But look at HEX leading the charge yet again at the top of another chart, at the top of another graph, with the most percentage, most volume, and still we're being gatekept. It's obvious, even with this amount of suppression, that HEX is an amazing project, and it really works. You can't stop us forever. HEX will be seen as the true leader in DeFi. But yeah, I just thought that looked really good. Nice little pie chart right there. Let's check out what's going on in HEX Hub. I love this little HEX candy right here. It's my favorite. Don't forget to check out Hexologist for the best financial advice in the whole crypto space. No, just kidding. No financial advice there. No financial advice. No financial advice here either. Oh, this was great. This is great. I love this. I don't know if they had if the video's here, but I think it was Omar. Shout out to Omar. This soccer match. I don't know who did it, but somebody paid for a HEX advertisement during the game. It was amazing. See it right there on, what is that, NBC Sports? Oh, and we got Richard playing in the game. Man, he's looking fit. He must have lost some weight. Good job, Richard. Keep it up. But yeah, we got HEX as an ad. Beautiful, beautiful. I love to see things like that. That's so cool. Okay, let's move on to some technical analysis. I wanted to show you guys this chart. So this is the Ethereum 1-month chart. I really like it. Bullish AF. And I'll tell you why. So, of course, we had the long downtrend, super long bear market, blah, blah, blah. It sucked. Everybody hated it. We were under this trend line, obvious supply line right here for a long time. Had the breakout. And then COVID stuff happened. Everything crapped the bed. Bitcoin crapped the bed, of course. Everything else did too. We rebounded, came back above the trend line, and now we are well above the trend line and the 21 exponential moving average. Incredibly bullish on the monthly. Not to mention the very first positive histogram wick since, I don't know, it doesn't even go back that far. But we have had a trending red histogram for, what is that, over a year now. The very first green one. Very good news, very good news. So I wanted to show you guys that. That is awesome. And I think a lot of this is probably attributed to DeFi, honestly. DeFi is leading the way, helping to bring back ETH and really make crypto relevant again. And Richard Hart has also done a great part with this in making crypto fun again. Thank you, Richard. HEX is the best DeFi product. But yeah, so very bullish. Even if we zoom down into the weekly, we have everything trending here above these major moving averages, nicely above this major support here at 215. And double bottom is in play at the moment from what I can tell. We're going to need to break this previous peak here at 367, 370-ish. Once we break that, we should be able to retrace all the way back up to the top of the structure, I'm guessing. I'm hoping. At about $800 or so. So yeah, ETH looking very bullish. Loving that double bottom action right here. It's very nice, very nice. As far as the long-term macro goes, it looks very good. But of course, everything's connected to Bitcoin. It could always crap the bed at any time, if Bitcoin does. And I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but I like to watch traditional markets as well. And Bitcoin is heavily correlated to traditional markets right now, unfortunately. So, JPal, keep those money printers going. Burr, we need that money to keep a-flowing because I need my bull run. All right, yeah, so we got ETH here on the daily, looking pretty healthy. Just higher lows, looking good right now. Let's move on to my favorite asset, of course, HEX, the best. All right, we'll start off on the 12-hour. Could use the daily, but I think the 12-hour looks a little bit better. HEX USDC, beautiful falling wedge structure. Obviously, breakout right there. And since the breakout, we have been trending up nicely right here on this trend line. I am hoping that we will see the pattern completion of the structure. Now, this is a conservative measured move of this falling wedge here that I took. Very conservative. With the breakout, I'm hoping to see somewhere around 0.05 cents. So let's hope this trend here continues. It's looking beautiful. I mean, HEX's TA is just fantastic. I love to watch this and chart this because it really respects the TA. So I'm guessing maybe we get another bounce down here on the trend line. Trend continues. We'll keep pushing up. That could possibly turn into an ascending triangle there. Hopefully a nice breakout of this supply line here at 0.04. And then I'm hoping by hopefully early to mid-August we could see that target of 0.05. And then after that continue to push upward to our previous major all-time high at 0.065. I'd love to see that broken. I'd love to see a penny before the end of the year. And that's going to do it for the HEX TA. Keep your heads up because HEX is looking good. Next up, I wanted to give a shout out to Annette HEX, the Annette Challenge. This video is amazing. All right, all you Hexicans out there, get out to your local stores, your Walmarts, your Targets, whatever, whoever's got computers on display, and do this.
Hey Hexkins, let me just show you my little trip to Walmart and how I'm advertising today. Check it out. Ooh, beautiful. That will be on every laptop in Walmart.
Hey, great job. Everybody go follow Annette at the Annette on Twitter. I love this. What a real original idea. All right, everyone, I just want to finish up with a quote from a man that I really respect and admire, Dr. Ron Paul. Truth is treason in the empire of lies. So everybody get out there, start making your own content, and spreading the truth about HEX. Remember, the #1 pumpamental of HEX is you. Y'all take it easy. Peace.